Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create the simple web server with the ESP32 to control the RGB LED. The web server we will build can control the RGB LED connected to ESP32. You can access the ESP32 web server by typing the IP address on the browser on the local network. By clicking the color on your browser page, you can change the color of the RGB LED. Below is the circuit, and you see we will connect the RGB LED panel to the GPIO city. After writing the circuit, the next step is uploading the code to ESP32. You can access the GitHub link to download the code. It will include the program for ESP32 and the program for web server, the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file. After download the code, you can check the web server by open the HTML file, and it will show on your browser. Now you can upload the code and it will work straight away. Don't forget to check if you have a whiteboard and combo selected. Otherwise, you will get the error message when trying to upload. So first, click on the upload button and wait for complete. Next, we will need to update the web server file into ESP32 HTML, JavaScript, and CSS file. Type Ctrl+C+P and click on Upload List.ms. Then wait for complete. Now let's test the device. I will reset the ESP32 so we can see the startup log. As you see, after connect the Wi-Fi, ESP32 read out the IP address. Fill this IP address on the browser and we can access the web server. Join list on the color. So we can see it send the color code into ESP32 and the RGB LED display the correct color selected. Now let's test with other color. Now let's start a user loop at the code to see how it works. First, we will import the library needed for this application, including library for Wi-Fi, web server, Lido.ms for storage, and NeoPixel library for RGB LED. Next, the Wi-Fi credentials are displayed so the ESP32 can connect to the network, including NSID and password. An asynchronous web server is created on port 80. This code defines the LED pin, number of LED, and initialize the NeoPixel object with RGB color format. Inside the setup function, we will configure the serial monitor for debugging, and the LED strip is initialized and clear. The Lido.ms is mounted to load the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file directly from the ESP32 flash memory. The ESP32 connects to Wi-Fi and read out this local IP address so the user can access on the web server. Then the web server init function is called to configure the router. On the web server init function, we will load the HTML, JavaScript, and CSS file. At the same time, declare a function to set the color on the LED. This function will be called when you select the color on the browser. Next is the function set LED color from hash. This function converts the hash color string into separate RGB value. Come back to the loop function. The LED strip is continued to update with the current RGB color value. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, please leave the comment below. See you in the next video.